Welcome back to our YouTube SEO tutorial series. In today's episode, we will show you how to discover what YouTube videos your audience watches on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Select Analytics. Once you're in YouTube Studio, find the Analytics tab located in the left-hand sidebar. Step 3. Click on Audience. Within the Analytics section, locate and click on the Audience tab to access valuable insights about your viewers. Step 4. Go to What Your Audience Watches. Scroll down until you find the What Your Audience Watches section. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of the videos your audience engages with. By understanding what videos your audience watches, you can optimize your content strategy and create more targeted and engaging content. Remember, knowing your audience's preferences is crucial for YouTube SEO success. That's it for today's tutorial on how to see what YouTube videos your audience watches on your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your YouTube presence. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.